Yes.
What we have introduced is now a very interesting thing is a proportional speed control of the hydraulic pump.
How are we doing?
Hey, Daniel.
Good to see you again. Good to see you. Here we are. We have a hook loader.
Yep.
I know a little bit about hook loaders, but not as much as you, obviously.
Yeah.
Tell me about this hook loader. What's here? What can we see?
Yeah, well, first of all, you see really first time a solution of Palfinger with an electric truck.
Okay.
Where we really combine the hook loader with an electric truck.
Okay.
And this is clearly, along our strategy to provide complete integrated solutions, and of course, future ready, because the application of hook loaders with this reduced operating distance envelope, is actually very favorable for electric-driven vehicles. So.
Okay. It's an electric truck,
Yeah.
but is the hook loader stuff? Is it still on hydraulics?
Yeah, the system is still kind of a very conventional system.
Yes.
Connected to the electric drive of the vehicle.
Yes.
What we have introduced is now a very interesting thing is a proportional speed control of the hydraulic pump.
Okay.
So based on the loads we require from the hydraulic system, we can have a variable speed control,
Okay.
driving the pump according to the needs.
Wow. And we have an electric truck. How far are we from an electric hook loader system?
Well, at the end, we are working on, let's say, new ways of actuation.
Okay.
Of course, the required power density on our actuators is, requires in many cases still using of hydraulics.
Okay.
But of course, we have actuators which can be changed to direct electric actuation in the future. So this is something we are working on. And this is going to definitely also change the architecture of our system. Our hook loader will look differently in the future if we exchange kind of the main actuation, the muscles of the system towards
Yes.
electric.
Okay.
What we're introducing is a so-called smart loading assist.
Okay.
This is really helping the driver to assist the driver in loading and unloading of the container. This is a new functionality where we use 3D camera systems
Yes.
to detect the container, to
Yeah.
position, to understand really where the hook position is,
Yes.
to support the driver in reaching the right position. We have an obstacle detection where if something is in the way, the driver is warned. And this is a brand new system we are introducing at the Bauma.
So at Bauma, that's something for us to look forward to.
Absolutely. This will be very interesting. We are all, quite excited to get this really to market and show it to our customers.
Great.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you.